Good day, viewers. I'm Mrs. Satavlekar, and this is my home sweet home. I have to work very hardly, to keep my home clean and smart for my husband and my Bittu. And every day I was too much tired, re baba, and very sad. And then one day, my good husband got a very nice thing at home. Sunita Multipurpose. Now my cooking and cleaning worries are all gone away. Sunita is so efficient. She comes in 3 speed modes.
Kaya yun, umiiyak pa rin po kasi yung isip ko na ganito ang trabaho nila gabi-gabi kaya pati pala ako magiging ganito na dito.
Marami siyang aabutang babae. Tapos yung mga babae, tinatanong nila, oy, tiga saan ka ba? Ilang taong ka na? Sabihin ko minsan, may karanasan ka na ba? Magtataka yung babae. Doon na malalaman ang trabaho, prostitution nga. Pambali, parang pinababali na namin sa mga magulang ng mga babae. Para lang masama. Siyempre, yung mga magulang, kung mahihirap sila doon, timano kumakagat yan eh.
Order your Sunita today and get Mina absolutely free.
Human trafficking is the second largest illegal trade after drugs, with traffickers earning over $10 billion every year through the buying and selling of human beings.
Victims are trafficked to every country across Asia and the Pacific. Meet Anna from the Philippines. She was forced into prostitution by a close family friend. Anna had been promised a well-paid job working as a waitress by her aunt's next-door neighbor, a woman they knew and trusted. She was picked up at the airport by the neighbor's cousin. Unbeknown to Anna, things were about to take a dark turn.
Pinaayos niya na yung buhok ko, inayusan niya na ako. Dumaan na po kami dun sa tinutuluyan namin. Nadatnan ko pong babae dun, 5 po. Pang-6 po ko.
That you choose to ignore. I'm in the middle of your picture.